guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart midweek haul for you. If you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay. Shay with the Pow Pow. Debbie, take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. Also, hype your girl up. I would really appreciate it. So listen, as far as my midweek, I need 15 offers for 5. We're tracking as far as the larger ones too, so they're just gonna do what they do. If I hit them, I hit them. If I don't, I just don't. I've seen some of you guys that have some really awesome bonuses. All of mine are $10 bonuses, and I wish I had one that was like $35. That would be awesome. I do have some new deals to share with y'all. I had a deal that I wanted to try. One of you guys let me know about, so let you know how that works out. It's so windy today, y'all. Super windy, and it's cold. So, and I was really looking forward to it starting to warm up, but at the same time, it's like, I know once it warms up, it's gonna warm up, and then I'm gonna be like, damn, it's so hot, it's triple digits, oh my god, what am I gonna do? And so but I want to make this quick though. So we're gonna head to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what you're going to do, hit the like button and keep on watching. All right, y'all, so this first deal, I grabbed this yesterday. They literally had 3 of the cheddar bags left, and they were the date that I needed as far as the expiration date for Flavor Wiki. It popped back up, and I put a post on my community tab, and for this one it has to be October 19th or after. But my best deal said that she did it with the and she didn't get the right one, and it still went through. But so yeah, listen, it's $2.97 for these. The cheddar one, this one here, is on markdown for $2.50. So you'll grab that. Getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, and then $5 on Flavor Wiki would make that a $3 moneymaker, I want to say. So we're here with this deal. One of you guys actually hit me up about this, and I was like, oh, I just have to try. So for the Hillshire Farm, we have 2 different offers on the sister apps. They're both $5 when you buy 2. Now, Black Forest, honey ham, turkey breast, and the rotisserie one, they all did double attach with both offers on Swagbucks. What I did is I grabbed 2 of the Black Forest ham. I submitted for one of the offers. It went through, and then I went back in and submitted for the other offer. And I had to put it through to review, which I wasn't sure if I would really, want to do that, but I did anyways. And it actually cleared the same day. So I did get back the $10 for 2 of them, making them both free plus $2.06 moneymaker. So I think I'm going to grab another set and see if I get lucky. Even if I don't get lucky, this is something I'm going to buy anyway. So I figured I'd rather take a chance on something I'm going to buy anyways than something I'm not. All right, guys, look what I found. I didn't expect to find this. I was literally on my way to another deal, and I found this deal. Don't you just love that when deals just knock you right in the head? Like, knock you in the head. So look, it's on the 4C. It's on the spicy panko crumbs. These are priced at $3.26. This is a free offer on aisle, so I'll have a link for you in the Google Doc. So grabbing one at $3.26, getting that back makes it free. All right, so next up is the Betty Crocker cookies. They don't have the particular one at this store. I have been getting it from Grocery Outlet, which is like literally 2 minutes from my house. And there, they have it on sale for 99 cents. And so grabbing it there, or you could also grab it at Dollar Tree as well, which I did. But I've been grabbing it at Grocery Outlet because it's cheaper, obviously. So 99 cents, getting back $1 on Ibotta. With a limit of 5, and $1 on Fetch Reward with a limit of 3, making each one, when you buy 3, $1 moneymaker, or anything more than that makes it just free. And so I've been stocking up over there. As a matter of fact, as soon as I leave here, I'm gonna do it again. And so yeah, not a bad deal. Also make sure to check pets, because there's a lot of clearance tags over here. Look at that one, as cheap as $2.50. This one's that's cheap. I low-key want to get some more for my sister, but I still got to give her the other ones that I got. And of course, we're grabbing the Dinner Life again, priced at $3.94. Getting back to on Ibotta, 2 on Easy Bucks, making this a 6-cent moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is on the Molly Suds. And we only carry this brand at one of our stores. And so we have a triple rebate for it. We have buy one, get one free on We Stock, buy one, get one 50% off on Aisle, and then we have a 50% back on one on Social Nature. So for this, we're grabbing two, price at $14.44. We'll pay $28.88, getting back $14.44 on Aisle, and then $7.22 on both We Stock and Social Nature, making them both free. Now I am hoping, crossing my finger and toes, we get an offer on Ibotta, which would make it even better. And so for now, I'm holding off. Next up is the Airwick. It's on the Essential Mist diffusers. So I don't have the offer on Ibotta anymore. I think I might still have it for Walmart rewards. But if you want to grab this one here, which is just the device, it's priced at $7.48, and this coupon is scanning with it, so it would bring that down to $2.48 if that's something that you need. I'm gonna hold on to these coupons and see if it pops back up on Ibotta. So yeah. All right, so next up is the Neutrogena. I'm gonna try and see if this is gonna stack with Ibotta. So we're grabbing this one here. It's priced at $7.37. Hopefully coupon works. It'll bring the total down to $3.87, and you'll hopefully get back $3.50 on Ibotta, which would make that 37 cents. And the limit on this is a limit of one. So yeah, we'll see. I saw Coupon Star post this deal here. It's not this one. I already bought it. Let me show it to you. It's this one here. It's the fragrance-free whip one. It was $15, and it's buy two, get back 20 for Walmart rewards. So pay 30, get back 20. And then I know she had an offer for Fresh Reward. I don't. And then we have a P&G rebate as well. So I went ahead and grabbed two of these. I wrote the $20 that I had from those rings in my last video, so I didn't have to pay that much more out of pocket because it is kind of a high out of pocket. And so yeah, I'll check this whole entire section, all of the hair care, a lot of it's on clearance. I did find some Tresemme. I think I found these right here at $3. $2 back on Ibotta, limit of 3. I found some of the Function of Beauty as well at $2.50. Getting back $2 on Ibotta. The Shea Moisture is on clearance. I didn't find any that matched up for me, but they do have some that are marked at $3, which is really cool. I also found some of the Cantu. I found some for $1. Actually, what was this one right here? For $1. I might grab this one too. They're $1. I grabbed like 4 of these. I'm thinking about grabbing this one too, because it's like, why not? I mean, $1, that's cheaper than $1 quarter more tree. I also found more Palmers as well, at $2, which are these right here. Getting back $1.50 on checkout, 51, $1.50 on sister apps makes it like $1 moneymaker. The OXY, some of those were clearance too. Let me show you. $2.50 for the shampoo right here, which is cool. Normally $8. They have some down here for $2.50 as well. All right, y'all, so I had to come back. This is the next day. I started recording this video yesterday, and I realized that we have printables on coupons.com right there. And so I printed some off, and I was hoping they would be here this morning when I came back. So we're grabbing 2 of them at $2.50. Using the $4 printable, hopefully it scans. We'll make them only 50 cents each. And they only had 4 at that price, so yeah. What else? Pantene. That's not a bad price for Pantene. I was hoping a lot of this stuff would match up with Walmart rewards, but no. I did find some more Old Spice as well. I found, I think, 8 of these I got for $2, and so I figured, why not? All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for today. As you can see, we still don't have floors. And yeah, this is going to be an annoying echo, but it's okay because we're going to get through this. And so listen, everything here worked out really good today. Well, no, I did try using the Neutrogena coupon, the IP. It didn't scan, and nor did the OXY. It didn't scan either. And I actually tried that one at 2 different stores. So sometimes that tends to happen. I'm hoping that eventually they'll add that UPC or whatever, and it'll work, because obviously it makes it a really great deal. And so I think those are the only hiccups for today. Everything else worked out good. I did find more of the Olay at a second store, so I grabbed one of the whips and the eye cream right here. Both $15 each. And then I had a $5, what do you call it? P&G OTC that I used for that as well. And went ahead and submitted both of my receipts for the P&G spend 50, get back 15. And so that worked out really good as well. I did get back the $20 in Walmart rewards for both accounts. Hopefully I already mentioned the deal at Target. If I didn't, the Colgate and the Oral-B buy 3 get back 5. Both the Colgate products had $2 digitals. One adjusted down to $1.94. Oral-B, there's a $1 coupon for that. I think we paid like $6 and change and got back 5. So I think it made that a really great deal. I was trying to finish off the deal with the Target reward, not Target rewards, but Target membership. And so I grabbed the Zia, I think that's how you pronounce it, diffuser. Now I did grab other things that we needed around the house, like paper towels and toilet paper. I'm not including that. I'm only including what I needed for this haul. So I did grab that. I want to say it was 14 something, and I got that back through Aisle. I'll have a link in the Google Doc for that. I got the protein chips as well for $4.19. I got back $3.50 on Aisle. I'll have a link in the Google Doc for that. The Shine is also on Aisle. It's 69 cents. That was at Grocery Outlet with the Betty Crocker, which that deal I did twice. And with the Hillshire, I did mention that I did get credit for both of the offers on Swagbucks, which is really cool. And so, yeah, other than that, it just got super bright. Other than that, you guys, I do have not a lot of receipts. In my Target receipts, yeah, not a lot of receipts. And so, oh, and these are the rings that I got in my last haul, because I had them shipped here, and yeah, that's what they look like. Don't know what I'm gonna do with them. And so, yeah. And so other than that, everything you see here retails $144.41. It just got super bright again. We had $9.94 in coupons. That was the digitals at Target and the $5 P&G OTC. And brought the out-of-pocket down to $134.47. And I got back $40.50 for Walmart rewards. Ibotta was $34.50. Field agent was $25. I think I did 10 jobs. Luckily, 5 of them were $2 jobs I did here at home. It involved like bedding, and so those were super, super easy. Aisle $21.67. $15 for the P&G promotion, spend 50, get back 15. Swagbucks was $12. Flavor Wiki is $10. PayPal, I cashed out $604. I did the $604 for Target, to be honest, so that way I wasn't paying for that first initial deal, which was the Colgate and stuff. I also cashed out for a $5.33 gift card for Frisbee. I told y'all you just scan receipts. And I like it now because you get back more points, so you hit it faster. So I'm hoping if I submit all my receipts, I can at least cash out twice, which for me would be really good. That's just extra money. Target was a $5 gift card that I did roll back into my deals. Fetch Your Award was $3. Checkout 51 and Easy Bucks was both $1.50. So we get back a total of $181.04. It's going to make everything you see here free, plus a $46.57 moneymaker, which is pretty cool. Not a huge haul. Nonetheless, I did pretty awesome. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button over the door. And in the comments, I want to see, let's see some wind. Let's see some wind emojis, cloud emojis, because it's hella windy today. And so with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.